Welcome to this video detailing how to install Speed Deck Ultra steel roofing with the revolutionary ResEase fixing clip system, a breakthrough patented design especially created for residential applications. This video will walk you through the easy and efficient steps to correctly install Speed Deck Ultra using the ResEase system, ensuring a high-quality, long-lasting result. In addition to this video, each box of ResEase fixing clips includes illustrations outlining both of the fixing methods explained in this video. On the Stramit website, you can also download a detailed installation manual containing clear visuals and step-by-step explanations. Let's get started. Before you start installing any Stramit roofing product, always ensure all battens are correctly aligned and securely installed. At this stage, be sure to install the sarking or insulation blanket as required for the job and as per the manufacturer's requirements. ResEase clips are delivered in sets of 3 portions, clipped together in a single row. If starting with a full sheet, create a new assembly with 4 portions joined together. You'll need to disassemble some clips into individual portions and then add these to a full 3-clip section to form this 4-portion set. Using snips, trim the trailing edge rail close to the upstand. This allows the upstand to fit neatly at the building's edge. Once properly positioned, secure the first row of clips at both eave and ridge level. Using a string line or the edge of the first sheet as a guide, align the first row of clips on each support. Screw the clips to the battens aligned in the direction of laying. If starting with a part sheet, ensure these first clips are cut to suit the part sheet, whilst also ensuring the clip is long enough for there to be an upstand at the underlap. This will make it easier to install the next set of clips. Position the first sheet over the clips, ensuring proper overhang at each sheet end. Remember to ensure there's an upstand at the underlap to allow the next set of clips to be connected and installed smoothly. Snap each rib onto the clip in order across the sheet 1, 2, 3. Repeat this at every batten along the length of the sheet. Avoid using excessive force which could damage the sheet. ResEase fixing clips are designed so that the sheet will snap into place easily. Install and fasten the next row of clips in the direction of laying across each batten. Fit the next set of 3-portion clips onto the protruding ends of the first clips. Ensure clip sections are fitted together correctly to maintain rib spacing and prevent sheet distortion. Securely fasten every upstand in order with the correct screw for the batten type. Avoid overdriving screws, as this can affect system performance. Ensure clips are centered on battens when securing. Install the next sheet as per the previous. For subsequent sheets, continue the same process. Install the 3-portion clip set along battens in the direction of laying, lay sheets, and repeat. Periodically measure sheet coverage at the ridge and eaves to maintain squareness. At the end of the batten, trim clips and sheets as required to fit. Then, using the Speed Deck Ultra Turn Up Down tool, turn up sheet ends at the ridge, turn down sheet ends at the eaves. To secure the leading and trailing sheet edges, use full or cut back clips and sealed fasteners at every batten or purlin. At the ridge, fix the sheet pan with one sealed fastener to prevent sliding. Cover fixings with side and ridge flashings. Be sure to install all flashing as per the Australian standard for design and installation of sheet roof and wall cladding to ensure complete waterproofing. Clean the roof at the end of each workday by removing screws, cuttings, swarf and debris. Ensure the roof is clean and watertight. Remove the strippable protective coating from sheet ribs. If left exposed to sunlight for over a week, removal becomes difficult. An alternate method of installing the roofing with the ResEase system is to install all the clips before installing the sheeting. For this method, make initial clip preparations as previously described in steps 1 and 2. Then, working across the roof in the planned direction of laying, install and screw down all required clips on all supports. Once all clips are installed, then the sheets can be installed sequentially in the direction of laying, Snap ribs onto clips in order 1, 2, 3 across each sheet. To finish, follow the procedure for final adjustments, finishing and cleanup as previously described in steps 5 and 6. With careful installation, you'll achieve a professional, durable roof system ready to stand the test of time. Speed Deck Ultra and the ResEase fixing system, the smart choice for low-pitch residential roofing.